welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday February 7 to Saturday February 13, 2021. These are all digital and printable deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at the first deal. So my first deal, it's Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.49 each. Buy 4 Colgate total toothpaste. It's total $13.96. It's $3.49 each. Use one $3 off $12 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also use $1 of Colgate Optic White Sensitive and Total Digital coupon. Also we have printable coupon $1 of Colgate Optic White Sensitive and Total Printable coupon on coupon.com. Total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $6.96 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.04 money maker. The next deal is select Colgate toothbrush and mouthwash deal and Colgate toothpaste deal. If you have this 4 of 16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend $12 on Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash and get back $6 ECB and buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. Both are has a limit 2 per household. Buy 1 Colgate total mouthwash 16.9 OZ, it's $5.59. Also, you can buy 1 Colgate Optic White mouthwash. It's 16.9 OZ. It's $6.59. Buy 2 Colgate Optic White toothpaste. $6.98. It's $3.49 each. The totals come out $19.16. Use one $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use $1 of Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. Also use $1 of Colgate toothpaste printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, you can use $1 of Colgate mouthwash printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have $1 of Colgate mouthwash digital coupon. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $11.16 and get back $6 ECB for toothbrush and mouthwash and get back $4 ECB for toothpaste. The final cost is only just $1.16 or 29 cents each. The next deal is select Crest Oral-B or Glide Oral Care deal. Buy 3 Crest toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy 3 Crest plus Scoop Outlast whitening toothpaste. The total is $14.97. It's $4.99 each. Use one $4 of 14 Crest toothpaste or toothbrush CVS CRT. Also, we have one $5 of 3 Crest toothpaste digital coupon. It's available on February 7th. Also, we have right now $1 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Crest Scoop Mouthwash deal. Buy 2 Crest Scoop Mouthwash and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 4 Crest Scoop Mouthwash 1 liter. It's $15.96. It's $3.99 each. You can use $2 or $12 any mouthwash CVS CRT. Also, if you have $2 of Crest Scoop or Oral-B toothpaste, toothbrush or rinse CVS CRT. Also, we have $1 of Scoop mouthwash digital coupon. It's available on February 7th. Also, you can use $5 of 3 Crest toothpaste mouthwash digital coupon. It's available on February 7th. But check this digital if it's included mouthwash. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $5.96 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is select ARC Whitening, Oral-B Click or Vitality Toothbrush deal. Buy one Oral-B toothbrush and get back $8 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. Buy one Oral-B Click toothbrush. It's $19.99. Use one $4 off $20 Crest Scoop or Oral-B toothpaste CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 off Crest Scoop or Oral-B toothbrush and toothpaste CVS CRT. Pay or roll $13.99 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just $5.99. Check back on Sunday. Oral-B Click toothbrush head it's included या not. The next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ. It's total $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use one $4 off $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Use two $3.50 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerinus.com. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Gillette and Venus Razor or refill deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus Razor and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Venus Woman Razor. It's $9.99. Also, you can buy 1 Gillette Men's Skin Guard Razor. It's $11.29. The totals come out $21.28. Use one $5 off $20 any razor or refill CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 off Gillette or Venus Razor CVS CRT. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $14.28 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only $4.28 or $2.14 each. The next deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic deal. Spend $15 on CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner. It's $6.49. Also, you can buy one CoverGirl Clean Press powder. It's $8.49. The totals come out $14.98. Use one $3 off $15 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 off CoverGirl Eye digital coupon, and also we have one $2 off CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Maybelline Single Eyeshadow. It's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. Use one $4 off Maybelline Mystery coupon printed on January 31st. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is NYX Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 NYX Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 NYX lip liner. It's $8.78. It's $4.39 each. You can use one $3 off NYX mystery coupon. It's available on February 7th. Pay or roll $5.78 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus 22-cent money maker. The next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic and NYX Cosmetic deal. If you have this $3 and $15 any cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB, and buy 2 NYX Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. Both are has a limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Maybelline single eyeshadow, it's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. Buy 2 NYX lip liner, it's $8.78. It's $4.39 each. The totals come out $17.76. Use one $3 or $15 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Maybelline mystery coupon printed on January 31st. Use one $3 of NYX mystery coupon. It's available on February 7th. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $7.76 and get back $5 ECB for Maybelline and get back $6 ECB for NYX. The final cost is free plus $3.24 money maker. The next deal is select Neutrogena wipe or makeup remover deal. Spend $15 on Neutrogena wipe and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover facial cleansing towel wipe 21 CT. It's $15.18. It's $7.59 each. Use one $4 of Neutrogena face makeup digital coupon, and also you can use one $4 of Neutrogena face makeup printable coupon on coupon.com, but is no longer available. Also you can combine with this deal $3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $4.18 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus 82-cent money maker. The next deal is Olive or Select Buyer Medicine deal. Buy 2 Olive or Buyer and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $9.99 each. Buy 2 Olive Pain Reliever 100 CT. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $4 of $20 any pain relief CVS CRT. Also you can use one $2 of Olive or Olive PM product digital coupon. Also we have one $2 of Olive or Olive PM product printable coupon on coupon.com. This is no longer available. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $11.99 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.99 or $3.99 each. The next deal is Pamper and Easy Up diaper deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $9.99 each. Buy 2 Pamper Jumbo Pack 16 to 32 CT. It's $19.98. Use one $3 of 2 Pamper diaper digital coupon. Also, if you have one $4 of $20 baby care CVS CRT, the total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $12.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.98 or $3.99 each. The next deal is household deal. Spend $20 on Tide and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Tide liquid 92 to 100 FL OZ. It's $11.94. Also you can buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 CT. It's $11.94. The totals come out $23.88. Use one $3 of Tide liquid printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. Also you can use one $3 of Tide Pod printable coupon on pngcoupon.com. Also you can, if you have one $4 of $20 any Tide product CVS CRT. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $13.88 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost all product is $8.88 or $4.44 each. Check back on Sunday. We also get the some digital coupon. The next deal is Snuggly or all detergent deal. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy one all laundry detergent 36 OZ, it's $2.99. Also, you can use $1 off all brand laundry detergent CVS CRT. Pay or roll $1.99. The final cost is only just $1.99 each. The next deal it's L'Oreal Facial Care Deal. Spend 30 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum. It's $32.79. Use 2 $5 off 15 L'Oreal Paris Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $6 off L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 off L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Serum CVS CRT. The total coupon is $21. Pay or roll $11.79 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.79 each. The next deal is Select Boost Nutrition Drink Deal. Buy 4 Boost drink and get back $8 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy 4 Boost Nutritional Drink Rich Chocolate, $28.46. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. It's $9.49 each. Use one $5 off $25 any protein powder, shake or bar CVS CRT. Also, you can use two $5 off 2 Boost Nutrition Drink printable coupon on coupon.com. It's no longer available. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll $13.46 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only $5.46 or $1.36 each. The next deal is Trident Swedish or Sour Patch deal. It's on sale 2 for $4. Buy 2 Sour Patch Kids gummy, it's 7.2 to 8 OZ, it's $4. Use one $2 off 2 Trident Sour Patch coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on February 7th. Pay or roll $2. The final cost is $2 or $1 each. The next and final deal is Extra or Orbit Gum deal. Buy 2 Orbit Gum 14 to 14 CT, it's $2.98. It's $1.49 each. You can use one $1 off 2 coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on February 7th. Also, if you have one buy one get one 50% off Extra Orbit Gum CVS CRT, it's took 74% off. Also, we have 150 off 2 Orbit Gum single pack digital coupon. The total coupon is $2.24. Pay or roll only just 74 cents. The final cost is 74 cents or 37 cents each. So friend, this is my this next week CVS couponing deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.